In this tutorial, I would like to demonstrate how to change the sieve insert in a 6-row König flower duster. For the retrofitting, you will need the following tools: 2.5mm Allen key, 4mm Allen key, and a 10mm ring spanner. To start the retrofitting, pull out the floor template. Use the 4mm Allen key to loosen and to remove the 4 frame screws. Remove the mounting rails and the side panels. Turn the duster upside down. With the 10mm ring wrench, loosen the screws at the clamping device and remove the device. Use the 4mm Allen key to loosen the 8 lateral fixing screws. Remove the bottom part. Loosen the 5 grub screws with a 2.5mm Allen key. Pull out the guide bar, which holds the sieve insert in place. It is easier to pull the sieve insert out to the side. Here is a comparison of the new sieve with a smaller mesh and the old sieve with a larger mesh. In order to prevent static charging of the release flower during the dusting process, it is important to insert the sieve with the glossy side facing upwards. Push in the guide bar again. Fasten the guide bar with 5 grub screws. Position the bottom part with a new sieve insert on top of the upper part. Connect both parts with the screws that were removed earlier. Attach the clamping device again. Insert the side panels. Stabilize the frame with the remaining screws. Finally, reinsert the template. The retrofitting process is now complete, and the duster can be used with the release flowers from GoodMills Innovation.